Clicking between the different sizes, you instantly have the tool you need for the job. Think about all the time you've wasted in the past fishing around for the right size tool. With just a few clicks of the Tiger Wrench, you'll have the right tool for the job every time. The Tiger Wrench is fast. Look how quickly the Tiger Wrench can go from one size to the next. As fast as you can click the tool, you've got a new size. And because of the unique revolutionary tooth design, you can do both standard and metric sizes. Simply flip the tool around and you have more sizes. Ordinary wrenches slip on rounded corners. Not the Tiger Wrench. Its specially designed teeth won't slip like ordinary wrenches. Ordinary wrenches can't do 45-degree angles. With the Tiger Wrench, you can easily do 45-degree angles, no problem. With this one tool, you can tackle all your projects around the house or on the job. The Tiger Wrench is well built and extremely durable. It's a heavy-duty professional tool that's designed to handle up to 300 pounds of torque.
Painting the old-fashioned way can be slow and messy, but now there's the HomeRite Paint Stick Easy Twist, and painting has never been easier. Begin by attaching the universal lid to any standard 1-gallon paint can. Place the Paint Stick Easy Twist on the fill tube, pull back on the handle, and twist. You'll be able to paint up to 64 square feet with just one fill. No more globbing or wasted paint, just perfect one-coat coverage every time. Simply place, pull, and twist for a smooth and even finish every time. No need to worry about spills, drips, and mess, because the Easy Twist Paint Stick is designed to evenly distribute paint from the inside of the roller cover to the outside with just a twist. You can paint an entire 8x8 wall like this in as little as 1 minute. Ceilings used to be a nightmare, but the Paint Stick Easy Twist large 64-inch extension handle makes painting ceilings a snap. Attach the uniquely designed spatter shield for extra mess-free protection and use it as a stop guide for wall-to-ceiling painting. Cleanup takes just minutes. Simply place the Paint Stick Easy Twist back on the fill tube, push the handle in, and the paint goes right back in the can. Flush the handle with water and rinse the roller cover, and you're ready for your next project. The HomeRite Paint Stick Easy Twist is built to last a lifetime. Its quality components are durable and wear-resistant. HomeRite, the fastest, easiest way to paint.
Turn the drum clockwise and squeeze the drain cleaner trigger to advance the cable through the drain until you encounter resistance. Carefully work the cable through the blockage without forcing it. It may be necessary to spin the cable without advancing it, or advancing the cable very slowly to break up the blockage. Once the blockage is cleared, turn the water on to flush any debris down the drain, then set the drill for counterclockwise spin and squeeze the drain cleaner trigger to retract the cable. Now you are done. Like every tool from the brand with a nearly 100-year history of quality craftsmanship, the Ridgid Power Spin Plus Drain Cleaner is tough and durable and comes with a full lifetime warranty. the Ridgid Power Spin Plus Drain Cleaner.
This is the Extend and Climb Telescoping Ladder, the convenient, portable, lightweight ladder for all of your household and professional needs. What sets the Extend and Climb ladder apart is its retractable, small, and transportable size, which can be stored almost anywhere. This allows you to carry a compact, full-size ladder with one arm while grabbing supplies or opening doors with the other. Its lightweight design offers effortless movement to be able to fit in small spaces. True telescoping technology offers a stable ladder experience and has surpassed all ANSI and OSHA standards. When your task is complete, effortlessly retract your ladder back to its compact size and you're on your way. So whether you're a stay-at-home mom or a full-time contractor, Extend and Climb offers the go-to ladder to make your job simpler, one step at a time.
Introducing the Wagner FLEXiO 3000, a paint sprayer that makes it faster and easier to fill your life with the colors you love. Great for indoor and outdoor painting or staining projects, the 3000 offers variable power settings so you can take on any project and get a great finish. The innovative eye spray nozzle with adjustable air settings gives you the control to spray almost any surface. 10 times faster than painting with a brush. Set it to a lower setting for thinner coatings like stain. Or set it to a higher setting for paint or to cover a lot of territory. With less overspray and increased control, it's easier than ever to spray indoors. The X-Boost turbine has the power to spray all paints and stains directly from the can. The 3000 also comes with a detail finish nozzle that delivers a smooth finish for projects that require precision. With just a few parts to rinse off, the cleanup takes only 5 minutes. Now that your project is finished, sit back, relax, and start dreaming of what you can get done next weekend. Add the FLEXiO 3000 to your DIY tool collection and spray your world with color. The FLEXiO 3000, a faster way to a better finish.
Got dirty grout? Don't spend all that time and money ripping out tile. Bring it back to life with the Hyde Regrout tool. The Regrout tool is the fastest, easiest, cleanest way to make old tile look new again. The rubberized grip and 3-speed motor chips away all types of grout up to 1/8 inch wide. And the long-lasting carbide bits cruise through your dingy old grout at up to 1 inch per second. Completely retiling this kitchen would cost up to $7,000 versus just $100 for a simple regrouting. Other grout removal methods are awkward and dangerous and can damage your tiles. The Regrout tool's vibrating tips can reach even the most challenging areas, and it's safe to the touch. In just a fraction of the time, you'll be regrouting and breathing new life into your home. The Regrout tool from Hyde, saving you time and money on your next tile job.
The Works Hydroshot, the world's first portable power cleaner that lets you clean anytime, anywhere. Fueled by a 20-volt max lithium battery, it's self-contained and pressurizes any freshwater source. Just grab and go to clean anywhere and everywhere, leaving dirt and grime where it belongs. You can even use your normal hose and boost its pressure up to 10 times. Don't let messes build up. Quickly and easily maintain your outside spaces and gear all year with the Works Hydroshot. Ready, aim, clean.
When you're tightening flare nuts on mini splits, achieving the perfect torque is critical for preventing refrigerant leaks. Hilmor's digital adjustable torque wrench makes setting torque as easy as a push of a button. Start by confirming the torque specified by the mini split unit manufacturer. In this case, it's 32 foot-pounds. As you tighten the flare nut, the actual torque value will appear on the digital screen and increase with the torque being applied. Green LED lights along the sides of the display will illuminate one by one as the wrench gets closer to the desired torque. A buzzer will also sound and speed up as torque is applied and increases. When the desired torque is reached, the green lights and beeping will change to a red light and steady tone while the torque value is displayed on the digital screen. If you can't see the screen while applying torque, you can check the amount of torque applied by removing the wrench from the flare nut to review the value. The amount of torque applied will flash on the digital screen. You can continue to tighten the flare nut and check the additional torque added until you reach the desired torque value. Another flare nut tightened to the exact torque.